Hi guys, this is episode number 6 of Vloggers and hope you enjoy.
We will be building boats from scratch. Hope you enjoy.
And we're gonna go get building. Yeah! We're both gonna make our own boat from scratch. And begin.
Okay, now your strong
Down.
structure.
And Yep, I'm also gonna start off with a strong structure. And then add a very long skinny piece.
I build really fast.
Put it right on there. And then, you know what? Let's put some good designs on there. Just for fun.
Okay, here it is so far. Got the base
Cool
of it.
designs on there. And then I'm going to put another strong structure on the other side of this long piece. Snap it on. And then I'm going to get this really big flat piece. Put it on.
Ugh, there we go. Okay, now you got it.
So it's like this. This is going to be the front of it. And then I'm going to put on these things. These things make it move smoother on the ground.
R.I.P. for
Since
Ricky.
it's going to be a boat, so it has to move smooth. If you want to get on the ground. Or
Yeah. All you gotta do.
Snap it on there. Okay. So move smooth. And then I'm going to start making some kind of wall.
Let's add the second layer.
Boom. Boom.
Okay, first you gotta add building a wall to connect
So it's like
over the second
that
story.
little wall. And I'm going to make it on the other side with the 1x1s. I mean 1x2s, I think that's what they're called.
So, here's the second layer boat so far.
And then, see, I got 2 walls. Now I'm going to add in the front ones. Boom, boom, boom. And then boom, 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 boom. Wait a minute. Oh, oopsie. Did on the wrong side of the wall, so I'm going to have to move these pieces up front. That's alright though. Always can fix things if you want. So I want to do it this way because I'm going to try something to put on the back because I want the wall to be in the front.
Okay. And then keep going.
Boom. Boom. Alright, so I just switched it because this is going to be the back and
Oh, jeez.
I want to try to find something to put on there. And then, so I'm going to start making like an engine, a cool little engine. Try to find these pieces. And then what I'm going to try to do is try to find fire pieces. So it's going to look really cool. Oh. Okay. Then I'm going to put these kind of fire pieces right onto this thing, this little thing I made. You can do it on both sides, doesn't matter. I'm going to put it on the green side, that kind of fire, and then I'm going to put another one right on there so it looks like a cool little engine that you can use. And then snap it right on. And then that's what it looks like at the end.
This is where I made a boat out of scratch. See? And scratch is a big word.
Scratch.
He's just finding something. I don't know what. What are you trying to? What are you trying to find? Oh, he found it. Sorry if it was like really slow for a moment.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a driver, wild style, original, and then I'm gonna put her right on, and she can steer the boat. Alright. He's trying to find his driver.
Stormtrooper.
She has that nice crossbow and that never stop shield.
Here's my driver. If you watched the minifigs and vehicle
You showed that.
minifigs, yeah,
You
I showed
him
that.
in that video.
Mhm.
What was his
Guess
name?
who it
Night
is.
Trooper.
Guess who it is?
Yeah, guess who it is in the comments.
Then I'll tell you. It is the Knight of Ren.
Yeah, I know it's nighttime. And that is the end of episode number 6 of building boats from scratch.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.